The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on Earth, covering more than 63 million square miles, 165 million square kilometers, and accounting for more than one-third of the Earth's surface. It is bordered by the continent of Asia and Australia to the west, and the Americas to the east. The Pacific Ocean extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north of Southern Ocean in the south, and it's bordered by multiple island nations and has numerous including Hawaii, the Philippines, and Fiji. The Mariana Trench, located in the Western Pacific, is the deepest part of the world's oceans, reaching depth of over 36,000 feet, about 11,000 meters. The Pacific Ocean plays a significant role in global weather patterns. It is known for phenomena such as El Nino and La Nina, which can have widespread effects on climate and weather across the globe. The Pacific is home to a rich diversity of marine life, including coral reefs, fish, marine mammals, and variety of other species. It supports virtual ecosystems and it's important for fishing industries. The Pacific Ocean is crucial for international trade, with major shipping lanes traversing its waters. It is also important for tourism, fisheries, and natural resources such as oil and gas. Numerous cultures and civilizations have developed around the Pacific, from indigenous people of the islands to nations along its coasts. It has a rich history of exploration and trade, influenced by navigators and explorers over countries. The Pacific Ocean has significant environment concerns, including pollution, overfishing, and the impacts of climate change, such as rising sea levels and coral bleaching.